in C. Functions in C. The basic definition: a function is a program segment module. A function is a program segment module. It has to perform some task in a program. Some task in a program. A function is only a part of program. A part of program. Functions are generally two types in C. Functions are generally two types in C. What are the functions? Predefined functions and user-defined functions. Predefined functions are printf, scan, getC, putC, getChar, putChar. These all are the predefined functions. And user-defined functions are user can create their own function in the program. For suppose functions are, first one is predefined function. Predefined function. Second one is user-defined function. User-defined function. Predefined function in the sense, first we are considered as a printf. Printf is a output function. Then scanf. Scanf is a input function. Then again getC, get character. Get character is a input function, and put character. PutC is a output function. Then again getS is input function. Get string. Put string. PutS is a output function. This is about predefined function and user-defined function. User can create their own function. User can create their own function in a C program. User can create their own function in C program is called user-defined functions. User-defined functions. These are the user-defined functions. Okay, user-defined function is having a something syntax that we have to follow. Function contains what are the basic attributes? The function contains, first one is return type. Function contains return type. Return type is what? The function return which type of value? Function return either integer, character or float. Maybe any one of the data the function has to be written. If you are specifying logic with integer, the return type will be integer. You can specify the logic with character, you can specify the character. For suppose the function does not return anything, you can specify void. Void as a return type does not return anything. First part is return type. Second one is function name. Function name. To distinguish other name of a program by using function. Okay, if you have to specify the name with other function that we have to distinguish by using only name. Because of that reason, we are specifying function name. Function name as a compulsory module in the function. And third one is parameters. Parameters, bracket you can put an arguments. Parameters are arguments in the sense the program contains, for suppose you are performing an addition. Two variables or two arguments are compulsory. For suppose you are performing a factorial of a number. Factorial of a number contains only one argument. Depends upon the programmer situation, depends upon the condition, the programmer has to be passed an argument or it may be a parameters. Argument, parameters both are same. And one more thing is a function body. Function body in the sense you can return the logic. Okay, this function in C++ also we are called it as a function, but Java and C#.NET we are called it as a method. A method is also a segment of the module, it is a part of the program. Okay, function contains function body, it is a logic part of the function. And syntax. Syntax you can return like, first one is return type, not compulsory, and one more thing is a function name. You can return function name, bracket you can provide parameters, braces open, then body of the function. Body of the function. This is my function. For suppose I want to perform some addition or something like a addition or subtraction, I will define the function like integer add of int a comma int b. Braces open, you can return the logic here and close. This is example of a function. Return type is not compulsory. Parameters is not compulsory. Depends upon the situation. You can put a parameter. You can provide the return type. But function name is compulsory. Body is compulsory. Opening curly braces, closing curly braces are specified as a block of statement. This is function. Generally, user-defined function can be written in 4 ways. Programmer has to be defined user-defined functions in 4 ways. First type of way is integer add of int a comma int b. This function is what? Tell me, this function contains what? Return type and parameter. Function contains with argument. Function contains with arguments and with return type. Function contains with argument and with return type. First sort of function. Second one, int add. There is no parameter here. Parameter means function contains with return type and without argument. With return type and without argument. Second type of function. And add int a comma int b. Braces open close. Okay. Int a comma int b. Body of this function. In this function, without return type. Return type is not there in the function. Without return type and with arguments. Arguments in the sense parameter. Fourth function. Add of braces open and close. Brace open and close. Function doesn't have return type. Function doesn't have parameter. These 4 ways you can define the function in C. Okay. How to define the function in the sense? The C program function is a part of a program. You can divide the program logic into separate part. It is very easier to the programmer to write a C program. Okay, function is one of the advantage of C program, like a reusability of the code, achievement of reusability of the code. Because for suppose you are writing a loop, or suppose you are writing something like a logic with a lengthy program, you can divide that into sub modules or sub functions. Program will be very easier. Because of that reason, we are using a functions as a major concept in C language. It contains 2 major concepts, like first one is parameter parsing techniques, call by value, call by reference. Second one is recursion. Recursion means a function called by itself. A function called by itself. It is like a function parameter we are passing, and one more thing is recursion. Recursion in the sense we can write a C program like factorial of a given number. Interfunction communication. Types of function. For suppose these all of the predefined functions. These functions are available in which library function? Dash include stdio.h. For suppose you are writing a string function, strcmp, strlen, all are available in hash include string.h. For suppose you are writing a math function, sin, cos, these are the functions. These functions are available in math.h. These are the basic library functions available in C language. Predefined functions are available. For suppose user can create a function. There is no specific type of thing that we can pass. Okay, there is no header file for this one. Directly, user can specify the function. Function is not a keyword. Function is a user-defined thing. User can create any sort of function. For suppose I want to perform addition, I can put a function name is addition. For suppose I want to display the details, I can put a function name is display. For suppose I want to find out the factor of a given number, I can give a name like a fact. Okay, depends upon the situation, I can create a name because that is a user-defined name. For suppose your programmer has to be define the variable. For suppose variable integer a comma b. User define 2 variables. These variables are called as local variable. These variables are called local variable. If you are defining the variable in a loop or a function, those are called local variable. You are defining the variable in a void main. That variables are local variable. Local variables are accessed anywhere in the program. Local variables are accessed only within the block of a statement or within the block of a program. These are the general variables. We can call it as a scope and lifetime of variable. Scope and lifetime of variable defined in a function. Okay, these are the basic details related to the function. Okay,